Justice should protect everyone. But for millions, it doesn't even begin. Because legal help is too expensive, too slow, and too complex to understand. The first barrier to justice is not the law. It's language, fear, and uncertainty. Imagine an Ukrainian refugee girl arriving in a new country, trying to understand their rights. But she don't speak the language. She don't know the system. And she don't know where to begin. In moments like this, clarity is not convenience. It's survival. Introducing Dharm Nyaya AI, a multilingual legal empowerment platform. Built to make rights understandable, actions accessible, and justice truly inclusive. Powered by Gemma model from Google, it transforms legal confusion into clarity. Here, a user asks a legal question in Ukrainian. Dharm Nyaya instantly detects the language, understands the legal context, and responds clearly, accurately in the same language. No translation barriers, no legal jargon, just understanding when it matters most. But trust in AI comes from transparency. That's why Dharm Nyaya shows its thinking in real time. From understanding the problem, to selecting the right legal pathway, to generating the final response. This is not a black box. This is explainable justice.
Ситуація, коли спонсор просить вас залишити помешкання в рамках програми «Житло для України» Homes for Ukraine, регулюється не стільки суворими законами про продаж чи іпотеку, скільки правилами перебування, умовами договору.
Now imagine something closer to home. A farmer under pressure about to sign away agricultural land. The agreement looks normal. But hidden inside are clauses that take away rights forever. With Dharm Nyaya's Spot the Trap feature, the user simply uploads the document. Within seconds, the system highlights hidden risks, unfair clauses, missing protections, and explains them in simple human language. Because one unnoticed clause can change a life. Next, prediction. A Santhal tribal woman fears her husband is selling their land without her consent. Can she stop it? Does she have rights? Dharm Nyaya analyzes similar cases, applies the law, and predicts the likely outcome, and that too in Santhali language. It highlights strengths, risks, and gives clear next steps, so she can act with confidence. Beyond multilingual access, our platform also includes deeper legal workflows in our India-first implementation. Jurisdiction-aware legal document generation, case risk assessment, legal roadmaps, SOS support, and legal aid discovery. Our vision is to make justice understandable and accessible across languages, geographies, and vulnerable communities.